How to manage a case of cervical cancer during pregnancy? We have to diagnose the case, then determine FIGO stage, gestational age, desire to continue pregnancy, and involve MDT. Different stages have different management. Stage 1A1 with no lymphovascular space invasion, then we'll continue pregnancy and we'll do conservative follow-up. We'll do cone biopsy at 14 to 20 weeks of gestation only if needed, and definitive treatment will be after delivery. For stage 1A1 with lymphovascular space invasion or 1A2 or 1B1 that is less than 2 centimeter, then we'll see the gestational age. If gestational age less than 22 weeks, we'll do pelvic lymph node assessment, laparoscopic preferred method. If node positive, then advise the patient either she can take neoadjuvant chemotherapy or she can undergo termination of pregnancy. If lymph nodes negative, she can have conservative management or simple trachelectomy. For gestational age more than 22 weeks, she can continue pregnancy. She can have neoadjuvant chemotherapy that is cisplatin based, and delivery at 34 to 35 weeks of gestation, definitive surgery or chemotherapy, chemoradiation after delivery will be given. Stage 1B2, tumor equal to or more than 2 centimeter, we'll see gestational age. If gestational age less than 22 weeks, pelvic lymphadenectomy done. If positive, then advise the patient termination of pregnancy or neoadjuvant chemotherapy after first trimester. If nodes are negative, she can continue pregnancy with surveillance or delay treatment after delivery or neoadjuvant chemotherapy after first trimester. If gestational age more than 22 weeks, continue pregnancy, give neoadjuvant chemotherapy, cisplatin plus minus paclitaxel, delivery at 34 to 35 weeks of gestation, then radical hysterectomy or chemoradiation after delivery. Stage 1B3 cervical cancer in pregnancy, tumor that is equal to or more than 4 cm confined to cervix. Then confirm diagnosis plus MRI, MDT counseling and check gestational age. Gestational age less than 22 weeks, explain patient poor fetal viability plus maternal risk. Then recommend termination of pregnancy or neoadjuvant chemotherapy. Standard treatment concurrent chemoradiation plus minus brachytherapy. If gestational age more than 22 weeks, involve MDT, counsel and check maternal wish. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy, usually cisplatin based, clinical plus minus MRI assessment every 3 to 4 weeks for response, and continue pregnancy if patient is stable. Continue pregnancy if stable, delivery at 34 to 35 weeks of gestation, usually by cesarean section, restage after delivery, clinical examination plus MRI. Definitive treatment is concurrent chemoradiation or surgery if appropriate, then regular oncological follow-up. This is management of cervical cancer during pregnancy.